Recession is a word that can spark fear and uncertainty into any market, and housing is no exception. But, contrary to what you may think, you don't have to fear the word recession when it comes to buying a home. Here's why. Take a look at what tends to happen to mortgage rates during a recession. Historically, a recession means falling mortgage rates. During each of the past 6 recessions in this country, mortgage rates have dropped. And while we're not officially in a recession yet, supposedly, there are a number of experts that say it could happen within the next 12 months. And if it does, this could be an indicator of how rates will respond. While history doesn't always repeat itself, we can learn from it. If you have questions about what's happening in the housing market in your area, let's connect. While there's no such thing as perfect advice, I follow what the experts and data are saying, along with my expertise, to provide you with the best advice possible.